UGMA, Reinventing Web Collaboration. Today, web collaboration is a billion-dollar business, populated by some of the world's most innovative companies. It's produced software and services from some of the best minds in the industry. It's forecasted to grow exponentially over the next few years. So why on earth would we say it needs to be reinvented? In our view, the entire industry is only focused on half the problem, and we think it's actually the least important side of web collaboration. Let us explain. There are two parts to great collaboration. The first is structured collaboration. That's collaboration that happens at prearranged times, or in prearranged places. Typically, there's a specific agenda, or competing agendas. You may be working through a list, updating people on status, or giving a presentation. Essentially, this is collaboration that happens within a meeting. But as we all know, meetings are often the bane of getting real work done. Not only that, but they also disrupt the natural flow and rhythms of work and tend to reduce productivity rather than enhancing it. And yet this is where the entire web collaboration category is currently focused. And instead of using technology to improve things, we may actually be using technology to amplify the problems. UGMA started from a different place. UGMA excels at structured collaboration, but is uniquely suited for the second type of collaboration, which is fluid collaboration. Fluid collaboration is the type of collaboration that tends to produce the greatest returns. This is collaboration that takes place through small, spontaneous interactions, collaboration that's spread out over time, collaboration that happens anywhere or anytime, collaboration that involves different people thinking about and working on the same thing in different ways. Collaboration that happens when people are in sync, on the same page, linked in thought. Ultimately, this type of collaboration is a state of being rather than a physical or virtual space. In fact, that's what UGMA means. It's a Sanskrit word that describes a state of togetherness, sharing of thought, the richness that results from a confluence. And because of that, UGMA was built to work differently. Instead of being an intermittent application like WebEx or GoToMeeting, UGMA has been designed to be a persistent application like AIM or Skype. Instead of being expensive and geared for corporations, UGMA makes collaboration affordable for individuals and businesses of all sizes. UGMA works across platforms, whether working on a PC, Mac, or Linux, or collaborating on the web, social networks, or corporate intranets. And UGMA is easy enough for individuals to use without hours of training or the need for constant tech support. UGMA allows you to share thoughts and ideas as they happen. UGMA breaks down tedious and unproductive meetings and gatherings into smaller, on-the-fly interactions. It enables ideas to be built upon over time and outside of a schedule. UGMA was built to enrich the way we naturally work, rather than asking us to adapt how we work to it. UGMA brings together, for the first time, both structured collaboration and fluid collaboration. And we think that enhances how you work, who you work with, and what you're able to create.